Hey guys, back real quick. I didn't get a chance to post a video on this, but I'm posting it right now. Well, the story is back on Thursday, November the 7th, 2024. After work, I brought in my Jeep to fill up gas at an Arco gas station on 14th Street and Victoria Avenue. And as I was filling up my Jeep, a very nice lady came up to me and gave me, well, she was the first one to duck my Jeep. So she gave me this duck right here. And I'll go ahead and show you the clip of what happened that day. Alright guys, I just got ducked right there. Nice lady right here. Thank you very much again.
You're
once
welcome.
again. God bless.
You too.
Alright guys, there it is. Yeah. Once again, thanks again to the lady that gave me my very first duck. She's the first one to duck my Jeep. And yeah, wherever she is, thank you very much. God bless.